ลันเลียวจน ZBC ลบูที่อันดักตีอตัวจนคริฟ้าลบูที่อันตีคริฟ้าลบูสมลีและปัญญีอันโน้ยนักตีข้ากับวันสักตาละซุ่มกลางนาสีนักจูอาเลียนีนางอันเก่าซิงคัดโนซิงคาทว่าชาทลกามูกาเฮร์มีวิอาลเตนากุดนีอากาเปซุ่มกลางนาสีนาจูบอยปาไกจาบอยปามินทางทัศน์เขาเสมีซาปีจ่าอะไรชินมีพุนจ่าอะไรอะไรอินนุ่มหุยเลงักจ่าหน้าจ่าอีซุ่มตากปะเทียนอสีนามิดผู้กุดตองอินกันหูทานจ่ากันปะเทียนมินทางทัศน์เขาเสสุมปานักเวียลเตอมาตาสิดีเขาเสตุจานจานอสุงลอยตุกมีมุนมาสุลัมอังไงอีพิลออกทาโลตัวเบียโดตักตักนั่นเทียลมีนี่เลจานครีอากูอุบัติมี CBC USA CCI CYONA เลไลฟ์อินอาการเจ้าตูนันดีลักไม่ลุงลบนางบิชิมนักจานทากำมุจ่ากับพัชยันมินกับทางชาติไทยต้อนนักกับบุญตัวตาลายไก่มากมินจูปีจาซีมีเอแปงเนียล้นความมีกษีจอสวะบานบอยทองอีชิงตูอนุกษีอาปาจูปูอุกตูมีเอแปงรวนความมีอสีทองนี้เลกุมไลสรีออกตุบาคลาคันอโดตูเลอโดดมีกันปะเทียนสินาอากันดินตาบอยปานีทชวะเราซุงฟนูปลีเลฟปาประคัดอากันเปกโจสวาฮียังเลยอินจูนปัญญินักอสีฟปาฟังคัดอสีตุชุนโจสวาเลอชงคานีกันชุนมังกันดังมัดมี UFC flyweight ไต่สมเจ้าขนักเดียร์มุนเตียงลำอากันช่วยตุจูกันปะเทียนอสีจ้าอามินกระทังชาติกันมาลุกเตอินอารมณ์อีลุงลมนาอลังตาตูมีพุนโฮยนันดีลักจงกันนิลมตุกชิงชันนัดมิดนายลมนากันหูติกะเลนั่นจะกวดเลนั่นคอมเมนต์ท่านากันเรลมีนาฮีกันจะจุนท่าจังทนนักรักษีสามจาเลสมทุมเลปฐุมจุนอุณาวรัวเรมเตอินขสักตีใจทุกอินดาอัฐตีอนุมอารอนลุทุงอินอัคเบอินอังกิงฮองอวงหลวงมีโอลิฟชตีบรรทุกอสีเดียกันไบเบิลกันหูบรรทุกอินตุชุนครีอุณาวรัวลุงรัวเตอินโจสวาบันบอยทองไตนักอมุนักลุงลบนักเบียนันชิมพิยาคีกันมาไลชีไลชิมีพุนจาลองสิลาอินกันอุณาวมีพุนดังนาจาเสมิรังโพนาจาเสสุลัมอังไงอีจิงเชียออกหลักมีจานกันปะเทียนนี้ทชวนากันเปียกเกาเสตุชุนอีลุงลมทจำนักอารชวกมีนันดีลักจงเลไลฟ์อินอากันเจ้าตูบิยลเตนันดีลักจงลุงลมนักชิมจอกเรากันไงกันมาขวบเหจุนกันนี่ล้มตุกเกาเดี๋ยวกับบุญหน่อยทานล้มตุก
Thank you so much to Joshua and his mom. Oh, well, they were so ready to take a seat, but I said, no, not yet. Thank you so much. She has such a beautiful voice, right? Yeah, I agree. Joshua, Oh, hey, his mom said he can sing. Joshua, do you think you can give us a preview? listen, next time, that means he's keeping his champion. You know what that means, right? The next celebration is guaranteed that he's going to give us a quick seconds of some vocal training, let's just say. All right, now we are going to move on to the gift portion. And so tu chan tulak song pe nak a kan dut lai I hi to real tu a sang fanak te in Sia Henry Lian na chunga kan som. Please let's welcome Sia Henry Lian to the stage.
Kan lom tu swim lam tem te hi ka hin lak song pek nak chan te kan ban mang ta lai lak song pek dinga hin hi ka hin min pe mi bu te te anu mi ka ben au na lai jang fa nak te hi kan pakhat ready ten ra kan di piak lai chu te chun chan rang te in lak song pek nak program kan ban mang la ti mi te kha van chim ta ka du hi ka hin kan au mina min akan pe mi nan bantukin min pek lowin kain lak song pe du mi bu sia chun hi kan nan lak dir te lai pum pa kin chun ama hen nan ton te ka pum pa kin pek salai ti bi kha van chim ta ka du hi ka stay chunga chun pum pa kin lak song pek lai lo asia chun bu min kha ka van au pasan ha lai jang fa nak ten nan lak song he ka le a chunga hin ready in makan rat piak te ulo tia van chim ta ka du CBC USA le in lak song pe tu CCI le in lak song pe tu hi kan ban chok from au lo CYONA le in lak song pe tu Hakka Community of Indiana le in Indi le in lak song pe tu Global Nearlon Organization lak song pe tu the Thalop Group in Rome Thalop Kha lak song pe tu Chinland Club CBC USA Women Department Indiana Chin Women Fellowship ni West Coast le Roka Antirwa Myanmar Mizo Organization Burmese American Community Institute Royal U Mizo Society of America Chin TV Indiana Mi Peng the Chin Community of USA Falam Lai Baptist Church Yangon Kachin Community of Indiana Kachin Baptist Church atu chon atu kavan chimmi chunga hin aitel lowi kan ma buzong ni laksong pe kan du sia chon ki ka anu lea nan dak dir nak lai jang fa kavan non ha amasat biga hin CBC USA CCI le CYONA kan President Paul ni hin hi ka hin rocha pek dinga hin masabiga ka som na lai
lak song nan pek la kan sang fanak te in an organization nin kasimula ma long kasakola mo. Thank you. This is on behalf of CBC USA, CYONA, and CCI.
Kan lom Asia chun Hakka Community of Indiana ka kan som lai
CBC
Intari. Okay, benchim minute pakat pen hiro mo.
Tu zan chana chan tha kan bun hu me cha kan lom e zo so van ni tai nak amu hin Hakka Community of Indiana ni hin zaitin da kan lom kholai ti mi te he kan ma ro en kho kan bun ruat asenan pumpak en in chung khor khar zong tu le tu Indiana rak rat har cha a hi ka hen CBC USA si se CYO si se CCI si se hin ha chin sin te a hin kan ni department te Hakka Community of Indiana zong kan vun intel kho ve cha kan lom zo so te in chung khar pathian ni kha chu pek na pathian ni fa pa rau sung an pek mi a pek mi na hi valai chung pum pi cha a amhan athiam mi se e kan lom tuk ti kha chim kadu mi se kan ni ha kha community of Indiana hi nihinia zo so van lom naka kan tu mi thilte hi vok pan hi kan tha sathuak umruk kan hlori chun rau cha te le lai puan pakhate hi ha kha community of Indiana ni kan tu kho mi te city kha chim ku du mi se adong naka zo so van ni ha kha velte kan lung akan lak nak pakhate box a thuat lai te ala na kamu mi thila ma ni khan kan in chung khor khar family velte rian tuan mi te kabun chim ta lai alan kha koram alan aput ko nan acha te ha kha timi te kha kan hu ti ka hin ha kha community of Indiana ni hin kan lung chunga hin zo so wan te chung khar kha an ti mi te kha adong nak bika bun chim ku du mi se mai lai na lam thona hiban tuk in pasal tha valai chung pum pi cha silo in ha kha lai mi phun ha kha velte mi phun velte a choi sang tu na si cha na chunga kani lo me pathian ni adong lo mi tho chu nak en pe ko sa ti kha adong nak bika chim ku du mi se tampi ka lom
kan lom asia chon CBC USA lai kha ka ben som chan lai hi ka in bia kan chim te ka minute pakhat le cheu long chang kan pek na lai chu chui na mak lo sia chon do na se chang lai
CBC USA ni lom pinak cha chabom kan ser piak mi si boi pan et chu pe chin ko se
CCI ก็มันซ้อมทันลาย
Joshua the fearless van ลายมีโลกอัศวินเอเชียและกิมไฮสบิกนักและกุมโนบิกปักขัดนัก UFC flyweight champion of the world นักนักปาราซิซาอินลุงอนักกันหลังตนักหลักสองกันเราเปียกดุย congratulations
กันล้อม CYONA เลน
กันอีล้มดีจ้ากาเฮรักพันนี่กันสิจ้าล้มเบียตัมปีกชิมทีไรแล้วจอชอวันNorth America มินาวเวลเตเน่นัจงว่ากันในล้มเทียนักุดกันนินไล
การนั้นมันกลายเป็นการคัดเลยนักการชอบอยากเตะลาย Global Nearlon Organization ก็เป็นซ้อมนะชวนบอกไงตุนะครับ
tu bentuk in chan tha chan sunglo kan pe tu kan pathian min thiang thang tham ko se CBC USA CCI nam program chunga kama ha bentuk in chan sungloi nan kan pek ve cha nan chunga kan lom tuk ti kha wan chim kan du atu bentuk in te na khlo tin nang mu khona hading cha kan tu pani te na mu khona hading cha thacham na kan bom tu kami phun hoi vie te boy pa thachona kan pe na se lo mai le nu nak le mai le a phai ri lai ding mi alam khon chung jong te na mu khona hading chaถ้าจำนักกันยืดปีริโกที่จงข่าวชิมกันดูไบเบิลที่เลี้ยวชันจานักขันเซโลเดวิดเตนักอภิตูและซัมซุนเตนักอภิตูบรรทุกเตงคานอตูบรรทุกโจชัวจงนี่เตนักอมุติกาหินบอยป้าอากุจักฮีลายมีกันชาหิมิดมุกุตตงสกาวติคากันมุติกาหินลายมีนากันมีพูนหอยนักกันถ้าจำนักฮีบอยป้านักกันเทียบกันมีนาหน้าโจชัวบรรทุกเจดบรรทุกเตนักทอนักมินกันนักกันมูจง anu upat ning le boipa upat ning nam huban tuk te in mai le jong kan thon nak nga ding cha atua mit mu kut tok in te na kan mu piak pina nun na kan thong tha ka chim jong sati kha awan chim tak chap chi kan du kan ni hi kolabal ni loin kan se lunglom nak tam pi kan ngai kan tin kan biak doktor
The Thalop Group Win CEO Rom Thalop Kakavan Song.
To Josh, we are so immensely proud of you. You are a beacon of hope to our people, and you are an inspiration to us all. We really appreciate you and all the hard work you have endured. Our country is in such turmoil, and we've been a people of destitution for years, and for have a world champion from our people, from small Chin State, is unbelievable. It's unfathomable. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for our people. This is congratulations to you, congratulations to the country, and congratulations to Chin State. Thank you.
Giang pha nak tên hi kai hin lak song nam pek nuwa hin kan president pathum andiari dan makut lai dengan andiar mi city bizong kha van sim ta ka du ma chu hi ka lai dan nak chuak chot lai ti bizong kha van sim ta ka du seselo chinlen club in ka som in halai
kan bia toy ko sa kan ni US regional committee in rami kan si tuzana rami lakahin arian tuan nak kan mi phuncha angan big mi kan si ti mi kha zaputi thedinga kan chimna kalo
Giang pha nak tên lak song pek mi kan tam tiga hin hi ka hin ape mi nan bu min te le ma khan nan min te khan ma kan chim piak lo chu chu za lai ti khan ruan kan ngei jan sau pi nan man nak lo kha kan nol du na CBC USA Women Department kan som na
kan ni hi CBC USA Women Department in ton lo puan kutta kan ta piak mi se kan fa pa zo swale chung khar di lak boy pani chwa pe zong zal ka na se
i kain zoro le CEBC zong kha Giang pha nak tein ka ki kalia kan kan dir piak nak lai lak song pek dengan som ka bendu na kalian put lai ting selamu Indiana Chin Women Fellowship kami som na
kan ni Joshua van ni anu asimi Indiana Chin Women Fellowship ni ama mui chom mi te rau cha le ado ngai mi west coast kan thit pia kan ni lom
Myanmar Mizo Organization kami som na
kanunaw Joshua vana tuntuma champion na kan lompui zialam tirnan ke ni Myanmar Mizo Organization tu chuanin tollo puan malama kalna zel tura nung tol mia lo kan ramtan le mi puita na fai turin du sakna sam kan lani
Burmese American Community Institute kagaman som จุนหัวรัวอูค้าเรดีนักกันเปียกเตวรอ
Certificate of honor is gratefully presented to Joshua Van Boytong, the fearless, for your outstanding athlete achievement in the UFC flyweight championship on December 6, 2025, and your contributions to elevating the Chin people and the people of Myanmar on the global stage through your talent and commitment. December 19, 2025.
Royal Uleika, ready makan rapiak gulo.
Hey, Royal U, who is Joshua Van? According to Royal U record, Joshua Van was named Person of the Year of 2022. Now he stands with us, flyweight champion.
Mizo Society of America, kemudian Somna.
Ole zani hian khovel mun rang rang om mizo te ai o zo lo mai la mizo ten Joshua Van champion na hi kalom pui tak zani ti lan tirnan he tolo puan le choi moina certificate hi Mizo Society of America Indiana branch mengin kan hlan do na ni kan lo me
Chin TV kemudian Somna.
tu zani Chin TV IOE laksong kampek jak mi he 2023 kandak pek tu misinan kamilaya Joshua busy to gira thailawi alak thailaw ruanga tu zana amarauri in laksak thaiding ronga lungonak tampi kan nei timi kha kan simdoi impact sak tu ding he Elizabeth Kafanusi lungoi
Indiana Mi Pen.
Kanilom tuk masabika kan pathian amin thang thas ko se pathian ni teina kam hui kan ma mi e chungin volei chung pumpi thein teina kam hu cha kanilom atu kan ni indi mi e fellowship min te in ro cha kan pek nak chan slai tampi kanilom
Kachin Community of Indiana, Indiana Kachin Baptist Church.
Nile Joshua Van, Piat Kenya Namana Minglabado, Kachin Community, Kachin Indiana Kachin Baptist Church, Kuza, no Sechin Pibade, Kamiaha Jono, Yamanangantu, Nangantane, Tedisa Cledway, Pong Song Gong Pibade, Suro, Celebido Malajondo, Cledway, Pong Song Gong. Usong mu kong selebiro usong beba sobido kechin amuta jitiao dene amaska palajin pibade kechin du ha ye jibi sun oktoga patma palajin pibade soro jono le ni le Joshua banye ong min jing ko jono kechin amuta long le အလွန်ဂုဏ်ယူခြင်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်ကချင်တွေရဲ့မေတ္တာလည်းကောင်းကနေခြေအဆုံးကောင်းပေါင်းလည်းပါတယ်ပစိုးလည်းပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်ကချင်တမျိုးသားလုံးချစ်ပါတယ်ဆိုတဲ့ကိုစားဖြစ်ပါတယ်လို့
The Chin community of USA Flam.
Coming to Fremangse, Chin community of USA. Okay. Chin community of US 2002 is in America. My speak lum Chin community si Flam Aza bidekan name community si Jumi Menin Lung Oinak sa community leader kan kuan misi Joshua Van, congratulations. May the God of Chin people be glorified. Congratulations, Joshua Van, for winning the World Flyweight Championship of UFC 323 on December 6, 2025. You are an amazing gift of God to the Chin people. God has made you, choosing you as an icon for your generation, for the Chin people and for the people of the world. Move on. May God continue to use you to uplift many people around the world. Congratulations, Joshua. Congratulations again.
Lai Baptist Church, Rangoon.
Atu bentuk sana Joshua ni tainak namu mi hika North America mi long silawin korami mi rangkun lai mi zon ni kain lom pive ti nak philau naka rangkun LBCIO in lung lom nak rau sate nasina kan nak kuat misi tampi kalom.
Zoro.
Joshua Van nè na Zoro mingin choi moi na kan hlan ve do na Zoro ti chu Zo Reunification Organization ti ania khovel pum huapa zo fa te zong zong in sui khom na Paul ania I General Headquarter Aizol atanga choi moi na lekha an ran thon President Pu Ar Sangkoya Ping Saing Choi Moi na le Ton Lo Puan hi Zoro General Headquarter Aizol Mingin Keima Rodinga Consultant in Kalando nani Kalome
Tuju CBC lady Laksong Pek Chancellor.
Joshua Van kam sapa tainak ngan pi nakan hu piak mi chunga CBC khri fabu ni lunglop nak ban lang tarbe tangan du becha kan indu mi ithong nak buan tual na lu tika nihin niya tay nakan pe tu pathian min hi nathin lung di lakin vaaw pengdingin chuchu hi khri fabu ni kanin cha du mi se sia chon kan senior pastor le kan vice chairman kan admin nunga krut ni lom nak rau cha kan van pek nak silai he CBC khri fabu ni thang chua lukhu ti mi ka kan van khu vela
กันล้อม
This is from CEBC. So again, thank you so much to CEBC for allowing us to use this place for free, which is amazing because top tier quality. And thank you so much to Joshua's mom, Joshua, and our three presidents. You may be seated. Joshua, after this, we have the panel discussion, so you hang on tight right here. Ladies and gentlemen, just, take a look at this, okay? Like, I know that he is a sight for many of us, so we are going to transition into the panel discussion. Yep, he's ready to answer your questions. Oh, wow.
Joshua interview, kom na kimini song thum kan ngai lai. Ami pi lein online bi hanak nan van tu mi te zong kha si kho to kin tel kan zoom lai sina mi song thum long si cha adi lagin kan hal chu lo mi me lai chu cha chun a hal mi zong ni ra khai them la ti kha kan du chun kan hal mi la ka Joshua van hi wal chung pum pi ni tu zan zong hi an zo ding si cha tong pal te social media hin chim thu ding chim thu lo ding tam pi thil om cha a chim tik zong a second hal tik zong ra rin leu ni to lai cha zong chu mi pi ni rak thai thiam te ro ti kha kan du ni chu thiang him ten atui ama a career a rian te hi thian ne pek mi thon na khi phang sulo adang dang thil tam pi a khan a social media a thil thalo ta ban tu khom na sti kan du cha ama ne le tik zong a srem ning te na le lai ro ja kan thiam te ti kha sim ka du.
We would just like to say that for tonight, we are just going to stick to questions about his career as a UFC fighter because that's what he's here for and that's what we're here to listen to. So we apologize in advance if we are not able to get all of your questions. Again, we will just stick to questions regarding his career. Thank you.
Okay, kanalom atuchu panel discussion conduct talk lai question masabik. Joshua, welcome home, welcome to the community. Atu bantukin krifa bupi ne, community pi ne, minaw pi ne, tay nak na pu, nak tsunga upapek nak le, lompi nak, ganito apyak mihi, zaitinda na pu ningse. What does it mean to you?
Masabikay bantukin te, kumi grami, kami punne, celebration. Bentuk event hana bukan topi kami kamu tu yang kami mahasiswa tukun dah zoom cina tinlong kaya apa ketila cun malong selon saya tukun dah thacamen nak bomi kalai mi pun he tampian tim he kathai tiga kami macam thazang tampi galak cin tiga yang kalom tuk sengsan dan zate cuma.
Hello. Joshua the fearless van tika si namin tak he. Lai min van boy thong te the fearless he how ni dan po jitin da fearless na ning jitin da sinang chim kom
the fearless he kaima ten ka kaima ten ka se ka kamin ka team mi se kitila cho
anak ruang zo
se zelo asham thok ka rak thong ka hen the savage te kan au ne ka thong dan ne rak chim paro acha se kan the savage ka karak dubak la waka kamin rakat sango ketelong nan dulo makan kematen show ka zau right now the fearless timi pa ka kamu macam kema ka thodan ka van zau ti kan ti thailo te ka van ti te ma min ka kor ka lak be na se
thalak
wow okay
pakate hal nak tak kan lu thana pakate mi pi ni rakhal buk la timi cho vai khat Roy Val hen na tein huwa kan koram min temi la tak minu baklo lo pin ani chon tak na law ngai nervous ngai atui chelti na sinu hinte na chodil changmo something na to he ani chon tar so ma dikha ani ha mis
tila mitam tung ne thaya chon song loi tila cho.
Wow, what a great questions. The first question was regarding your name, the Fearless. So the question was, how did you come up with the Fearless name? And Joshua, you responded with, at first you were called the Savage?
Yes.
Wow, he was called the Savage because of his fighting style, and he decided, maybe that was a little bit too extreme. And after watching a show, you named yourself the Fearless, correct?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Next question, please.
Tuzan lei biakan ruwa kan ni chunga UFC flyweight championship level tiang pakho nak ding cha discipline zone ai how sacrifice how commitment zone tha te nei how te hi level pakha phak nak ding cha zai sacrifice na to mi da har big zai tlop da har tok kum cha se ti ben tu ruwa cha na
si harnak katon mi herak tampi te asham thok rak thok ka hen soisal tu zong tampi rak ketila chun kaima zong kha zai ketila rian karak tuan bu khang kato si ti ka khan zai ketila rian zong kha tuan tuk kha changa velo ketila chate full time in kan chasing ka si ti ka kanu ne khan dream na chasing si ko chun idin lo kem ne kam bom la rakate rakati te khan zagatila ke mazong chorian ka chuak karak chin na te khan soisa tu khan rak tamai papa fangkhat se tha thu to anu la te zong bom na la te ben tu ka si te khan ke ma la ke mazong ka rian ka ton la tang ka nga la ka nu la te ka chom na la te ben tu khan rian na ka kir than ma chen ka phok than ka kir than te ben tu khan se ka laklo nak chan ngong tampi kitila cha na khan kanu la kanau la katupa te zong khe tu akzau chong ai ma te khente motivation tampi kalak kanu zong na kati long mong mi cho na tin mi si chon su lolo na te khana ka te ke ma zong chan sau pi ra lo te pathian tha kum ni chunga UFC kum phan kho ma khan na tl champion na thong tu cho full time ka to kho chang
Joshua atua hin tua volei chung pumpia kan mi phun long salon Asia abikin koram Burma le lai min hin kan Starbucks se le jung pi mi chon min se chulong slowin tua India ramakhin Mizoram kan ti ka chun kan mi phun tam pi kan mi phun hoi mi zo kan ti min ha chun tua raza mi zong tam pi no mi nai chun ha zong ni chun ani dirkam ani vaya atui tenak na hu tan lom tak tak abikin Mizoram Chief Minister Alubik chun support le Minister TTM ha ti minister chun an MP pakhat zong ne anma social media akhong baka lompina statement khatha te nan tiare Mizoram pi zong ne hin an lompi tak tak e chu anma mi pi zong hin thai tar na thai di zong kadu ngai anma mi pi sin ali tar chim lu mimmo an Chief Minister se anma sport minister
si ama mizo lai ne tha kam pek mi he ke ma cha zong asung loi tok chun ama sport minister zong khan araka chon ton zelo kan vai khat vai ni chikani chon akan sport na khe ka cha sung loi bak kama zong matlu a hla mi kan selo kan tila chute lai mi la mizo la kama zong ka raza nam kam ka zagatila kan kho tam pi zon tika kama mi phun man tu khen kam hu ve kon ha tila chu tika tha kam pek na he ka cha sung loi tok sung
Thank you. And the next question, this is for our younger generations, and they asked this on Instagram. They said, what motivated you to start competing in the UFC? Or what motivated you to become a fighter?
What motivated me was my auntie Mio. I was always in trouble. I was always fighting in the street and things like that. And one day, I got home from fighting and I got bruises on my face and things like that. So my auntie was like, all right, come here, sit down, let's have a talk. And, she was like, hey, you think you a real man? And I was like, yeah, I never lost a fight, She was like, nah, that's not what a real man do. A real man fight for his country, his family. Look at Manny Pacquiao, man. He fight for his country. And that was the night that changed my mindset and everything.
What an amazing journey. Thank you.
Championship level tiang hakho nak ding cha zoom nak pathian na bo chan nak se chun the family the community เลยอินท่าจะเปียกนักใจ
Can I might not look like it, but I pray a lot, you know. Alan liu krak sul liu tena zong ka vel lai zong thak cham ko. Oi pa ma pa ka vel lai ka ti pa ko ti phon mo. Thak cham ngai zai ka tua lai po hen ma te he pathian na ka do te zai ka tua lai po thak cham thil su ka tua se thil thak tua thak cham ma ting man hen akabom ngai ting ko ro chun na chim man tuk chun ko mi phun ko hoi la po zong ne te ka nu la ka pa zong ne thla kan champiak la mang rong hen suru te ko ron
Joshua na video zong kan tok zo biak ina solo na sak nak zong kan hu I case chunga te na kai zong thla na cham ta kan hu la mang tu na kan chim ban tuk pathia je tuk na bo chen I min tampi hi chu kan zoom na he kan ka long kan veina na tak tak kan lang ta lo mi practical kan to lo mi tampi mi nang ma na zoom na ka hin fel tin na tu mi thil pan hi zai hi da zoom tu na si ve ban to kun tam bi ni chon ok tha de na ro mi nang ma ni pel lo ten fel tin na to la mong thil pan hi chimok la kan ni ma
fel ten ka to lang mang mi he chu zai ki tilai ni fatin ka to mi he chauk chunga ka tial zai rong adam hi ka to decision thil tha ka to se thil che ka to se zangki la ken cha ka te mi ka check than lang mang ma te ken thil tha ka to si khan chun ka nuam ka tilai chu thil che ka to khan chun zai luk ka nuam ko zong zangki la chau kon te khan ni hin he zai men ka to chung lo ti mi reminder pakhat ta khen kam han chun pan hi nak chu zai luk thil ka tua la ka zelo zong zangki la he ti man tuk chun thil pakha ka tua la khen chun thla ka chom long mang ma pan hi se big ro te ro
chu pakhat te ma he pe tlai en ke ma ka theina ka atuliao kan mi no tampi he rian atron na en zoom tu ni chun pe chan na te cheu ha cheu ka ti ban tuk te na he kan rian bak chu sa ko nang ma a hin te ke ma ka zoom na ka ti ban tuk na ka zoom na lai do fel tak tak ti ban tuk the nang ma hi nang ma diam huna dia le chiamo
si cheu khat kong he chu kanu mi sa kanu se akan sik peng mi se like sik dilem chute ka te hen kanu mi ho na chu zelawa na chu te lai te ke athok man ka thok lan kan champion na si te lai he bentuk tangka na ngai te lai hi ti ka hen cheu ka te pe lamang ti mi he akachim lamang chung kanu zong he ma he ma sabi ka chim mi se cheu ka pek ti mi he kan zakatila ke ma ka si kho tok te chung cheu ka te zai tik man atlol ku du lo
ta kano
to he online rakrami question policy kum zaiza nasin da hi bentu thut na ki nar ni thok chun api mi chu when are you going to retire
thut karak thok chu training karak thok 2018 France rokte and thut tak ka thok chu 2020 kan bitakte training la itwa tram ka thok tak he se retire it so it depend on you know people cuz kan division he to he minungan ngai minos tela chu chuna si kolos la weight class ngum kai tela manu kan zau tela
okay so one atua anubik panjova hen na thong liawi kan zau ta 20 second na te so nai tok lai hong khan ti phan nak mo ji ban tuk phun tal nei mo chun an chui e nai phit ti khan aphak mo ma khan chui mi khan kheng lo zai tin kha na toi ma khan nam ti ka zero da thu ko mi khan nam chol lo ti kan ban thin hang pa ma kha hong te to bo ka chim na man feeling kha hong hang e na ban choi na ban tek hong hang feeling
si pento chen kan ni thong lai he ka thin phang bak lo oi dang ban tuk lo ka ngai tuk sung ni thong lai he ka ngai bak chun ke ma ha nei deu mi po chu ka chim ton na zai ti mana ka tai kho na ding lamum lo te like ka chin nak dan la zai ke Harbik se katila chakte training camp tin hakum dan ten harbik se kemela kemazong ka training to na kazum katila cho chun aka chui ka cho ka phedman katila cho pal te ka thon man te ka na fak tuklo na ka ke ka chui mal te ka fangai so yeah mate khasi ko we ze katila ka thong la katia khan ze katila akutin khan aza changte ama na ka pia dialogy pa step plan khan mate akan kai zong kha confused pa katila cho makan dali chi para tin kana adi dekha ka fyang mi se.
What a great question, and I think everybody probably wants to know your answer to that again, so I'll just ask you again, and if you can repeat it in English that would be great. So how is your feeling before you were in the ring when you were about to fight oh my gosh, I forgot his name. Because you won, yes. Yeah. That guy, yes. Yeah. How was your feeling? And the question was, I think he kicked you. Or did that kick touch your face? Did it touch anywhere? What happened? So take us down that road.
See, he asked me if I was nervous for that fight, but I was very, very excited for that fight. There's no nervousness, things like that. I believe in my work, the work that I put in that camp. And so, when he kicked me, I kind of slipped a little bit, so, it didn't touch me clean. So, you know what I mean? It didn't really hurt. But when he kicked me in my calf, yeah, that one hurt. That one hurt a lot, So, but then, I was going ground and pound him, but he was showing me that, he don't want to do it no more. So, that's the reason why I stopped.
Next, na tuat ding mi gong afiang sammi nakan chip ko mi om lai ma.
The next fight kong he afiang low, but whoever can get it.
The question was, who or where or when is going to be your next fight? And the answer is?
Whoever, anywhere, anytime, whoever.
Okay. Kaban hal sabdu mi cho tua number 1, 2, 3 ai karmina he panjova cho adam na dam logan fiang lawite number 3 nak manel kap minak dilupa kha chunhua khaira te kinapan hi he zaideu hi da chance ni la te zu anman challenge tu dinga
Kaima ka du ka team na chun an panhin zang ka zonga thong ka du ka na
UFC ni tin pok da silai
tu kaima ni chun matchmaker chu ka chon ko nan zai thong pa fiang pa kham ha ka chim la te kana ma no si ka ti lai chu para atu kaima ka du na chun du ning lo pinto jo he tha ten recover ko silo rok ra than silo no ama kan ka du natin asithang la ka zumlo matika Maneo or Tyra pakaching chang sa teko la
zai tuk tuan da kan hi thum mo silai mo achan he
Thizing
pakate ban hal sap ka du mi ju pakai ve ya atua nalu tika khande atui kan koram Burma flag kha na huktika koram pumpi zong kan lom koram pumpi vale chung pumpia na kan theitar nak zong na tu ai na chimi interview pakhat khamu mi chuma hi koram flag I or lupi kho nak dinga fak ngai ngai zomi namhu mi sti khasi ko je to khat da si chun ta chun nak atua US citizen zong si koram na sitika US flag salawin koram flag ngai be nakha nang madu thim ma si mo kanang ma je tin da city mi dekha simok thami mo
se hi koram alang ka thim na ka chute ke mazong ka thi ka bloodline kan kalsin ko rami kasi chun te ka ma lai rami kasi chun UFC he tiban tu kan ro na matuk selo kya promotion ngan tuk mi city ka kente flag ten ha he du pong ken nga lo tila chu matia hen koram ala ne he ko hoi pa de khora zong he ko ma he I was telling them on my first fight was asking them to bring my flag and they didn't let me flag kending kan rakhal na kay mazong ni flag ka ken ne ma hi ala ne ka ken la ka te zai kho de sin te Myanmar si ka ten ha Myanmar cha country ma si kan te an thailo country si ka te Google he nam hulo ma ka te na Google ka pia na okay selawa chakaning apyak la kan te ka thot la kan ka lan chu te locker room tiang ka ken ne ka chu pi hi kan du lo kan chu ka vai ni na ka thot na kan ka ken than anga lo anga ante ka chu la kan chu than vai thum na ka kan akan chu thiam thiam vai li nak zong kan chu a vai nga na kan cha kan chu lo ma te ka kan a zekitila kamau gar te kan niama flag te ka cha ma te kan zaitik maning kan koram alang ka ken ti mi kan thai kho ding se tilo ga tila cha ma ka post interview kan halte kan kalang tar ma valai pumpi thai tar in kan zang fa te ka flag ra ken tar te ka vun ti ti kan mi pi zong kham vun aw ve ka tila cha ma nu long long in hi koram alan he computer mi se
pakhat te ma he pe tai ba ta lok du mi chu tha to kan long koram ayo na ban kan lang tar mi kha aho po kan lom di i pakhat te lai mi hi kan ban thak phun nak chu volei chung mi phun tlom te hi tok wi kan sanain volei chung stake ngan tak tak baka hidin na kan phak pi kan du ni nga chu kan lai holte na kan lai pa kwa ti na kan te ka han chu di kan do ji ma chana chu silo le kan lai pun te na ma vai khat phok te tal khiวันลังเขาสติกันดูเลยแค่มีแค่จานเขาโดจานมันเขาดิ้งสมออะตัวเลยชิมมันตุกันรุขี้มีมจัวรวงละ
ก็ชิมมันกัน
ชิมมันตุกน้ำของเขา
เขาก็ใจกติลาแกมาจงกาซัวเมเตอะตัวก็ชิมมันตุกันUFC เจอใจกติกันยิ่งชุกมีทิลเตโปเคชัวร์ลานักเห็นเปียดีมาซาสิติกันมาเนี่ยเช่นมีแค่นาเตนเตกบ้านไปวกปนิกาสวยก็จะไล่มีกสินาลังก็สโลม
อะตัวเลยเตะชันชนไล่มีประเทศนั้นกันโดดตีนสิบจังไรกันลง
ตัวจุดแชมเปี้ยนสิจังจ้า online question รามิซู What is something you want to do with since you have a big name What is something you want to do with since you have a big name
I just want to defend my belt as of right now and the goal is to open a gym for my people, you know what I mean, the people. So, but as of right now, defend the belt, become one of the greatest of all time, and then, build this young generation of Burmese, Chin, Hakka, and things like that, Let's go.
That's amazing. And you said that you wanted to build training or like a gym for the younger generation. So if you were to do that, where will it be?
See, where Dallas will be the first, and then it got to be here too, So that's where all the people, my community are, you know what I'm saying? So Dallas for sure, and then we'll see if we can build one here too.
That's amazing. You heard it, guys. Hey, he might start a gym here, so watch out. There we go. I love the energy.
Okay, Joshua, atu hibantokin tainak namutika hin tuakan palzong simbantuk impact mirang khol chunte abigin minau chunga hin impact angan tak tak tu zanjong na zawi zeitlokin da kan lungtho mu kanilom nang mazong na simbantuk na phak kamerang khol zong thiam lo siangin zonga buli hibantuk mu ti ram na ton ta harnak tam pinatong nang ma sa isu nak ne ha tu dir mun sok lowin lampi ale sul naki hanak sini tong khozong se chuban tukin Indiana se Dallas se minau tampi chungkhar financial le tamtil lo rong amo pakhat khat alai struggle mi tampi no zeitu ok thailo nawa tuk na jongin buli rak tong mi tampi no me tu tan minau kan minau hasina hen zeida becha da du min ham mo zeitu inda merga kan praktika na majong tampi na rak ton nak experience kan minau hasina hen betal encourage pun mo sa du mi mo
See, becha kadu mi chite ke mazong US krak phakahen struggle te trouble tampi krak tong zakatila siang ten hazonga bully rak tong tilai chite bully ton tika we have to fight back and things like that, and in the process of doing that, we enjoy the attention, right, of fighting in school and fighting on the street and things like that. So like lam tampi kan kaldu lo na kinakan shoy mi ke tampi te ke hoi thalo do zong kan hang out chan zong tampi chun thil so kan to du lo mi kan to chan zong tampi ki tilai chu ma ti a khen ke chan tampi chu khoi ka zo na da dir mun na kan dir be lai ti mi ke thai lo in khoi ka de da ka lai ti ke abna bia khoi kai khala ma ti hoi kom dang he kan ti ka biakin lai ka pe la ka ti ka biakin kan hoi lo pol ni kom kan du ti lo phun nangan se chang khatalaya ka komla tia khan la lung nom di khan nom ve phone lo ma ti ka khan te abe pi bi ke kai ma chim ka du mi che tin mi ngai mi he kan hau ti mi he ka du chun tin mi ngai he chu tin mi ngai lo mi na kan chun kan tha de shrim ko tin mi ngai emo ma khan tin mi ngai mi kha tha ten chase te ma chun kai ma jong chu chim ka kal hang ke I don't know where I belong. Tilai chite khoi ka zona na kadir mun city mi ka thailo chim ka kal hun khan mi pozon ka kan accept ka tilai cho maman to king kan dream kan chase tika chun dream kan ngai ete tin mi kan ngai si kan chun kam ma jong ke khoi ka dir mun na kan kal kholai ti mi ke fiang dang kan ni thailai chun cha chi ka du mi cho kama younger generation lo slow nu la pa cha jong he se nam fa le te ni thil pakha phat kan zo man ti chun thâu lòng hay thòng tục lao thả bẹc giống hay thòng bao nụ lập pa giang phát tới căn nôn mình hả sẽ căn nào lẽ sang thở bộ lẽ thả bẹc tuôn hen bom lòng mang con hả sẽ tìm hiểu biết chắc căn du chín ha.
Thank you so much. One last question, because unfortunately we are coming to the end. One last question is, what do you have to say to your fans?
Thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support. I'll always fight for you guys. You guys will see the best Joshua of my next fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is your Joshua Vaughn, Fearless Vaughn. Thank you. All right, I think we are nearing the end. So next is the raffle ticket. Well, I hope all of you purchase a raffle ticket because we have really, really great gifts. While we are setting up, everybody, again, after the program ends, we are going to have a group picture session, and you'll also be able to take pictures with him. So please be patient with us. Zafan natin kanu Joshua nyo sang ka chung arakai talo. And also Dakota, can you please come up on the stage? Dakota, up on the stage for us, please. So we all know what a raffle ticket looks like, right? So what's going to happen is Dakota is going to pick, he's going to read the number, and if you have that number, you're going to come up here, and then we'll give you a prize, and then his mom is going to do it, and then after that is going to be Joshua. And the gifts, they're all amazing. Here, you can stand here. Okay, perfect. All right. Okay. First up, we have Dakota. All right, Dakota, let's see. Who is the lucky winner?
Oh, shit. Oh, my bad. I'm just... 2164837. Oh, 2164837.
Congratulations. All right, we have a winner. Okay. Congratulations. So you got a free signed flyer, a handshake with Joshua, and then after that, you'll also get a priority picture. So make sure, everybody, that he's first in line. Congrats. You can go sit now. Thank you. Okay. At Gutsansu, kung Joshua nuni team sanglay.
Okay, the number is 2164-836. Once again, 2164-836. Oh, we have the winner over there.
So unfortunately, I got that wrong. But oh wow, okay. So what's going to happen is that all of the winners, they're going to get one flyer and one of these, okay? Not the training gloves, but one of these. And so the person that won before this, please come up to me right after the program ends and I'll give you one of the items, all right? Sounds good? Okay, perfect. All right, flyer. And then what would you like out of these three? Oh, she picked a box. Fancy. Okay, and you can shake his hands too. You want to shake his hands? All right, congratulations. All right, final round. So the winner is going to win a t-shirt, a flyer, and the training gloves, all right? And all of the winners, you are going to have priority line for pictures with Joshua. So please make sure you remember that. All right, Joshua, it's your turn.
2, 1, 6, 4, 8, 4, 5. One more. 2, 1, 6, 4, 8, 4, 5.
Congratulations. All right. Oh, wow. Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous at all.
Okay, perfect. Well, here you go. Come meet your superstar, Joshua. Feel free to shake his hands. You get a flyer, and then a t-shirt, and then the training gloves. Yeah. Yep. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations to the winners. And Joshua, you can have a seat now. Yeah, congratulations to all of the winners. And thank you to everyone for participating. Before we end the night, again, friendly reminders that there will be a group picture session. We are going to take the committee group picture first, and then those three winners, and everyone else can line up on that side, okay? All right, before we end, we would like to go to one more thing before we end the program for tonight. Please welcome Sia Henry Lian to the stage.
Dong naga kan pancang ilung lom nak bia toy te kan man chim ta lai sam za le nga kan ma salawin kan ma salon boy pa nang ma long hi super nak le lengan nak chu muding na si tia sam chetel tu pa ni chibentokin super nak le lengan nak vialte boy pa ni chau ram ko se CBC Krifa bu chunga kan lom kan senior pastor di lakle staff nan za pite chunga lunglom nak lian pi kan ngei CBC Krifa bu na kan manter media team security Asia se building na kan lam mi se ivial te nan heu ba mi chunga boy pa ni thachwa pe ko na se tia lunglom nak bia chim kan du chilong silau hivial teตัวโคดิงาหินคอมมิตี้ชงาหินเรียนตั้มเปียตัวมีกันCCI เลนเสCYO เลนเส CBC USA le insise, CBC USA media le insise, Hakka community of USA insise, Machon the Telop group le insise, Global Nyarlon organization le insise, Chova le insise, Tazang le insise, Ivial tenen tua michunga, kan lom tuk timikai kan van chimta, kadu phone, tuzan chanahin, kan ma chin long kan slow, merang zong kan kachin zong kan karen kaya zong kan an zapi te chung zonga, ni chana hikam huna an rak pan koi, kan lom tuk timika van chimta kadu. Abikin he Joshua the fearless van lom nakahin batakten Torel tu Reverend John Zatleng chunga sese pu Shanghin Lian chunga sese pu Van Big Thong chunga sese lunglom nak lian pi kan ngei timika van chimta kadu kailom.
Thank you so much. Everyone, just a friendly reminder that all of you will have exactly 5 to 6 seconds. And we're going to have a professional photographer, so you cannot use your phone, okay? You have to please listen to the committee members when they are guiding you so that all of you can get your pictures taken with him, because we want to make sure all of you get the chance, all right? So again, 5 to 6 seconds, we have a professional photographer, and you can get these pictures in 3 of the organization websites. Again, just a friendly reminder, no pushing, please, and thank you. And also, when you take pictures with Joshua, please respect his personal space. No hugging, none of that, unless if he's okay with this. So always ask first. All right. And before we officially end, we would like to do a closing prayer. Reverend Dr. Clark or boyfriend at Sunga Kansom.
Joshua Van, the fearless, hang in, Chimmi Pun, akan choy sang tu, kan papatian, adodna. Chimmi Pun dila, chunga azang fanak le, avelin, lam kathoy jungzal tu, Yesu Christ azang fanak le, avel ngainak. Wale chung sonak panaka kang kanang halo kyang tharau phim chim nak le lam thui nak le nam dai nak chu tuzan UCF champion amumi Joshua Van chungwa le chulom pinaka rami vya tele online ka zo mi le wale chung Chimi Pumvia Te Chunga Atunzatia Huncham Chinam Kose.
And ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the Joshua Van celebration. Again, first things first, committee, all of the Joshua Van celebration committee come up on the stage and we will do a quick picture and an announcement from the food